Hello students. So we have started the topic effects of force, and first effect we have discussed that change in the state of motion. First was change in the motion of an object, and today I will explain effect of force on changing the shape of an object, shape or size of an object. So you have seen the common observations in your daily life that while we squeeze an object, its shape just get deformed. For example, if we squeeze any inflated balloon, then what happens? We squeeze it from both the sides with the help of our hand. Then its shape, it gets just like the deformed by the squeezing. And one more observation, while we make chapatis, then first of all we have to prepare the dough, and then we roll it in our hands, mean between our palms, to make it spherical, right? And then we change its shape, means according to our the action of our palms, we can change the shape of this particular dough. Okay, so it means, what does it means? These two activities, we can conclude that whenever we change particular shape or size of an object, means we have applied force on them. Or we can say, when force is applied, then there will be change in the shape, size of particular object, right? So these are the common observations we have seen. Another, you have seen like the whenever pots they are made by the potter, they can make them of different sizes, of different shapes, right? And from where they make that particular pot? From the clay, right? Or we can say the kneaded clay they use. So we can say that when force is applied, then we can change shape, size of particular object. This is about the change in shape and size of an object, and this was the second effect of force. Now, after this, we will discuss about the topic that factors associated with magnitude of force needed. Magnitude of force needed means factors associated with the magnitude of force needed. What does it means? Means the amount of force we apply on an object, effect will be like that. Means greater the force applied, greater will be the change in the speed of particular object. Magnitude, in another word, we can say the amount of force applied, right? Commonly, as the particular, if we kick a particular football, so as much harder we kick that particular football, more faster it will move, right? Another example that is also given in the book, that if we have parked the vehicles like the car and truck on a straight horizontal road, car and truck, right? So car will be of lighter weight and truck, that will be of heavier mass. Now it is a common experience that greater push we need to move this truck and as comparison to the car. It means car is having the lighter mass and truck is having the heavy mass. So we can't apply the same force to move them. Is it clear? And second thing, if we apply the same force as we have applied over truck just to start to move on that straight horizontal road, and same if we apply on the car, then what will be the result? Result will be that it will acquire more speed. Car will acquire more speed. So we can thus realize that mass of particular object and speed acquired by that particular object, they are means both the important parameters to determine the force, or we can say to determine the amount of force or the magnitude of force needed here, right? Means both things, speed as well as second one is the mass of particular object. Both are the important integral parameters to determine the magnitude of force needed there. Is it clear? Then after this we will start the topic balanced and unbalanced forces. And anyways, today I will only start this one, and we will discuss in next video balanced and unbalanced forces. Balanced and unbalanced forces. Here students, let us discuss some common activities. For example, a heavy mass, particular carton or particular table, almirah, anything else is placed in your room and you want to move it. If alone you will push this carton from one corner of the room to another corner by yourself. First of all, you are just moving it by yourself, but you are unable to move it because of its heavy weight. Now you take the help of your friend. Now, if your friend move this heavy weight carton from this side, in the same direction as you are moving this, then what will be the observation? It will start moving in this direction also. And in second situation, ask your friend to move this carton from the opposite direction. What do you observe? What do you observe means in both the cases? Here it will be easy to move, or from the same direction it will be easy to move the carton, right? When your friend pushes the carton in the same direction, in this direction, then his effort will add to your effort. For example, F1 is your effort and F2 is your friend's effort. Then F1 plus F2 will be the net force applied to move that particular object. That means carton, we have taken here the example, right? And in opposite direction, when this one is then it tries to cancel your effort. So means in these cases, unbalanced force is acting on this carton. Unbalanced force. Now we are coming to our main this concept. When net force, it comes out, some value it comes out to be here, then that is called unbalanced force. And when there is no movement, for example, one person is moving this carton to this side. I'm just giving the introduction of balanced and unbalanced forces here in this topic, because in this video we will not complete it. We can't complete it here, but let me just take the introduction. So, means the balanced forces are responsible for moving the carton. And for example, this one is the carton and one person is moving from here and one person is moving from here. The person is moving his own direction. Here the person is moving the carton in own direction, and so both are applying here the same force. Means there will be no motion, or we can say no movement of this carton. Such type of forces are called balanced forces. Is it clear? So means here net force is what? Here net force is 0. So such forces are called balanced forces. And unbalanced, I told you that they comes out there. Just for example, we have taken the example by adding F1 and F2. Okay, next in detail we will discuss in the next video. Okay then, thank you.